Welcome back, everyone. Or actually, welcome back to me because I was the one that was on vacation. So, first time joining, thanks. Like, subscribe if you enjoy this, and let's get into it. So, if you hear a bunch of noise over there, that's my helpers running around making a bunch of noise, aka my dogs. I figured let's do a few series on the different varieties that we have, a little bit of their grow habits, and just colors and what you can expect. So again, we're hitting that summertime. It is hot and humid today. For those that are just joining, we're just outside of Houston. We're actually in Katy, Texas. So I figured perfect time. We have so many blooming. Let's go through a couple of varieties every video and just do a little brief talk about them and what we find. Again, our opinions, you have your own, you do you. Wherever else you live, they might grow differently. This is just what works for us. So with that being said, we'll turn our attention to this one. This is a Nirvana, Jungle Jack. So we like this one, and I will bring you closer in a little bit to show you, but we like because just by the look of my hand, you can see how big these blooms are. They get that, almost that, there's a term, and sorry, I don't know the term, but there's that acid wash look. And this one I would say has a more floral smell. So you'll see a lot of varieties that'll have totally different smells. That's why so many people fall in love with Plumerias. And that's why we kind of have a habit of growing a lot of them. So this is a floral smell. Some will be more citrusy, fruity smelling, and some don't have any smell at all. So with that being said, I want to bring you closer to this and just kind of show you up close so you can really see what I'm talking about as far as the colors that you see in this. Right back. So right here. So hopefully you can see kind of the patterns in these where you're going to get that. Again, like I say, it's that, maybe I'm dating myself, but it's that acid wash look where you just kind of see the colors, the white and the pinks kind of run through each other. Again, we like this just because it is such a big bloom. And so with that being said, I'll say it is a medium-ish grower. It's done well for us. It's done exceptional for us, as you can see. It's a beautiful plant. It's very well. Some plants will, I'll say, as I'm kind of stuttering, some plants you'll find that, again, they'll grow real long and tall. And then this one is just, it's grown very symmetrical, and that's what we like. Now, again, that's also up to you, how you cut them and everything along with that line. You can shape Plumerias the way you want them. And so we do that over time. So this would be the first one I would show you. So this, again, this is a Nirvana. You can find this, again, as far as the one we have, this is a Jungle Jack. We ordered this. Sometimes you'll see a lot of Jungle Jacks in the store. Sometimes you don't know what you're getting. So a lot of times you just want to look at the labels and see what you're getting. And if you don't know, then, I mean, that's fine if you want to take a chance. But for us, we're at this point where we like to know what we're getting. So on to the next one. All right, and here's my second of today. Now, sorry, the wind's kind of crazy right now. So this is what you call a black and purple. This is probably one of the darkest you're going to see a Plumeria get. So that's the other thing I want to tell people is be very careful when you're ordering Plumerias online, because just because someone tells you a color, that does not mean, like, you have to look, really do some research, because some of those colors aren't even true colors of Plumeria. So you got to be very careful. When you see some dark blue Plumeria, yeah, second guess it. This is one of those your darkest ones typically are going to be this purple black, or you get some dark violets. That's about as dark as I've seen. So again, this is one of our more rare ones. It's a beautiful flower. I would honestly, I'd be lying if I told you what it smells like. So let me just, oh yeah. So we have so many, I forget. So again, this one's going to be more floral. Interesting enough for me, my senses are a little messed up because I got crazy allergies. It almost has a cinnamony taste. Taste again, like I'm eating Plumerias. Smell. So, but it's still more floral. This would be more of our medium to slow grower. So, I mean, I'm turned down on this because this one's not very big. And we've had this one a few years. So, and usually I could tell you when we planted them, or I planted, because usually we put, and you know, that's something else I'll show you. So usually I could tell you when we planted them because we put little tags on them, but our tags also get so worn off, and the dogs. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, we planted this in 2021. Woo! Save. Like I said, that wind's normally not sitting where it is. I just had to bring it out in the sun where it was sitting. So again, yeah, black and purple. It's beautiful. It's got a little bit of an orange center and that purpley dark pink around it. So again, that dark, just this veining is where they kind of get that black purple. So again, this is the second one of today. I would say this is medium to slow grower for us, at least in our area. And for those two, like I said, these are the two we've done. Two of many we have. And give me 1 second and I will be back. Black and purple. All right, so there's the first video of a series I'll do on the different ones we have. Again, if you have questions, send me the questions. I like helping people out with this stuff. Just giving them our personal advice. I'm not, once again, I'm not saying I'm some professional and I'm a know-it-all. I could always learn new things, and we always are learning something new about these plants. So again, just to go over that, and this is the thing I said before, is really watch out when you're buying Plumerias online. Some of the pictures you're going to see online in certain colors, those colors don't exist. So go to reputable places. Again, like the Jungle Jack, a lot of those different places like that. You know, those farms out of Hawaii, Florida. I'm forgetting the name. There's a couple of great places in Florida. ABC Nursery is one of the ones we've bought a lot from, and she's very knowledgeable. You just want to be careful of some sites, you know, because again, some of those colors don't exist. People make them up, especially now with AI. You're going to be seeing all kinds of crazy colors that don't exist. So do your due diligence. Make sure you do research a little bit. If you're not sure, ask someone. I mean, you can send me a message if you're curious about one. Again, I'll give you my personal opinion. And from there, you just enjoy them. And again, if you have questions, send them my way. So until next time, y'all have a great day.